You've been cooking plantains all wrong your entire life, and it's time to unveil the truth. To kick off this revolutionary recipe, let's start by carefully peeling 2 green plantains. We'll slice them into uniform half-inch rounds. This particular size is more than just a suggestion, it's the key to unlocking the perfect texture that we're after. Now let's heat a generous amount of oil in a large pan until it's shimmering and ready for frying. I'll introduce the plantain slices to the hot oil, and we'll need to be vigilant, turning them frequently. This ensures each piece gets an even golden brown sear. The sizzle as they cook is like a melody, and once they reach that perfect shade of golden brown, we'll know it's time to take them out. Next, we'll tackle the chicken breast. I'm going to cut it into fine, delicate strips. We'll create a symphony of flavors with a tablespoon of salt, a generous sprinkle of oregano, a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, a hint of curry for a bit of warmth, and 2 cloves of garlic, crushed into a paste. The lemon juice we'll add next isn't just for acidity. It's the bright note that will bring all these flavors together. Stir well, ensuring every strip of chicken is coated and infused with this marinade. Now, in a separate pan, I'll add just enough oil to coat the bottom, and we'll lay the chicken strips down to cook. As they begin to sizzle and cook through, their aroma will mingle with the plantains, creating a dance of scents in your kitchen. I'm curious to know where you're joining us from. Drop us a comment below and let us send you a personalized greeting in our next video. I'll keep turning the chicken until it's perfectly cooked through, each piece tender and flavorful. A special shout out today goes to our friends from Ecuador, whose passion for good food always inspires us. When the chicken is ready, it's time for the next step. I'll add half an onion, finely diced to release its sweetness, and 100 grams of mushrooms, which will add an earthy depth to our dish. Stirring continuously, I'll let these ingredients get acquainted in the pan. Then, it's time for the magical addition of 300 milliliters of evaporated milk and 200 grams of cream. I'll stir this gently, watching as it transforms into a velvety sauce that will enrobe our ingredients lovingly. And now, for the final touch, we'll use what we call, in my country, mashed or pilon. Into this, I'll place a small portion of the golden fried plantains, a bit of garlic, and a touch of butter. And with a strong arm and a steady rhythm, I'll mash them together. Gradually adding more plantains, the garlic and butter infusing with the starchy goodness to create something truly special. Once the plantain is perfectly mashed, I'll give it a final chop to ensure it's got that irresistible crispy edge. Then I'll plate this beautiful base, and over it, I'll spoon our rich, creamy chicken mixture. Just look at this masterpiece. We've transformed simple ingredients into a feast for the senses. Friends, the recipe we've crafted today is not only delectable but also unique. A dish with deep roots in the Dominican Republic, known affectionately as Mofongo. It's a testament to the vibrant culture and rich flavors of the region.